Welcome to Adaire, a luxury high-rise apartment complex nestled conveniently within Tysons Corner, Virginia. Our sophisticated studio, 1- and 2-bedroom residences feature spacious open-floor living spaces and chef-caliber kitchens outfitted with sleek cabinetry and quartz countertops. Enjoy the abundant natural light filtering through your floor-to-ceiling windows, or catch the sunset on your private walkout balcony. Our exquisitely designed penthouse-style lounge area is the perfect place to relax after a long day. You may also choose to soak up some sun out on the rooftop while taking in the panoramic views of Tysons Corner, enjoying our resort-style swimming pool, or grilling up a delicious meal for you and your friends. Adaire also features a commercial quality gym and fitness center containing all the machines, free weights, and cardio equipment you need to stay fit and healthy. Fine-tune your game on our high-definition golf simulator, or enjoy time with your furry friend at the park next door. Our premier location offers direct access to the Washington Metro Silver Line, connecting you to the United States Capitol in as little as 20 minutes. Any resident will quickly notice that Adaire was carefully crafted to provide you with the luxury living that you've been dreaming of. So we welcome you to Adaire, the height of design.